Hello, beautiful babes. Yes, the countdown is on to something very special I wanted to talk about today, and that's hyaluronic acid serum for anti-aging and everything else. Okay, there's a ton of them on the market, and you might want to figure out which one is going to work best for you. Hyaluronic acid, since it touched down in the market, it's been increasingly getting more popular by the day. It's a superpower hydrating and anti-aging product. And if you don't know about it, it proclaims to naturally plump the skin and revitalize a soft glow. It helps in alleviating wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, and even puffiness. Many say it clarifies and brightens their complexion while providing damage repair. The hyaluronic acid that I currently use is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I did purchase this off of Amazon. This one is the one that is a daily hyaluronic acid. It's great for dry skin. What I personally love about it is that hyaluronic acid helps provide my skin with lasting moisture, while the vitamins infused in it helps to nourish my skin. Yes, there's many out on the market, but I want to assure you that most of them will work with good benefits, but always watch and make sure that one of the top 5 ingredients reads hyaluronic acid or a name derived thereof. Be sure that's in the top 5 of the ingredients. The way I feel that is the best way to use hyaluronic acid is, of course, always start with a cleansed face. Wash your face with your favorite cleanser. Then apply a toner or a facial mist. Now, do not pat dry. If you prefer not to use a toner, just spritz your face with some water. Now, just simply apply your hyaluronic serum onto your damp face. Apply your moisturizer to help seal in the moisture, but also to provide moisture for the hyaluronic acid to absorb. This is how I generally do this. Now, you can let the hyaluronic acid not be so wet. Let it sink in just a little bit before applying the moisturizer. That's it. What that's going to do, it's going to help fill in those wrinkles, the fine lines, and plump the skin and preserve your skin's elasticity and firmness, returning your skin to its timeless state. We all know that when your skin is hydrated, it appears firmer, it appears plumper, and has a luminous glow. Hyaluronic acid is a primary key in all of those. I know you are asking the question, exactly what is hyaluronic acid? It's mainly found in the connective tissues and fluids of the body, with the highest concentrations in the skin. Some dietary sources of both animal and plant origin are also rich in hyaluronic acid. It has numerous functions in the body, including increasing the moisture content of the skin, protecting the skin against environmental factors, and promoting healing. It's found in many cosmetics. Hyaluronic acid is used in the manufacturing of several skincare products in its pure form or as a salt derivative of sodium hyaluronate. The products exist in different formulations, including injections, creams, gels, powders, and even supplements, and are effective in increasing skin moisture and diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. It is just so much I can say about hyaluronic acid serum for the skin, for tightening, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, hydrating, moisturizing, reducing dry skin. This is an incredible ingredient to be in products or used by itself and then layering other products on top of it. It is super great in helping other products have the ability to absorb 500 times, 1,000 times its weight of water into the skin. It's an amazing product. What can I say? I really do make sure I try to put this in my moisturizers. If I don't see it listed in the ingredients, if I use a store-bought moisturizer, I'll put it in there myself. I keep it on hand at all time in different variations, in different forms, or different brands rather. This is what I love to use in order to help keep the skin moisturized. If you have dry, wrinkly, fine lines, crepey skin, you know what? Add a little hyaluronic acid to your moisturizer or your lotions. You're going to see it's going to help reduce the wrinkles and other signs of aging. And did you know? Yes, it's a great humectant. When a moisturizer is applied over it, it's going to help tremendously. I say give it a shot. I will have a variety of hyaluronic acids that I've used in the past linked down below in the description box. Check them out. You're going to see it's going to help with the signs of aging, the wrinkles, large pores, dark spots, and the slight imperfections on your skin. Give it some time, spend a little time with it. Check out the ingredients. Again, make sure that the hyaluronic acid is at the top of the list of ingredients in it, and you will definitely reap some great benefits from it. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out on the channel right here. Always more videos to come. I'm always experimenting. I'm always checking out products, ingredients to help with my skin, and I am non-stop on this journey. I thank you all again. If you got some value out of this video today, be sure to give it a like, drop some hearts in the comments if you don't have anything to say, and please make sure, if you have not subscribed, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload, and by all means, don't keep me a secret. Please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.